Episode 9: Cities in East Poland. In quite bad weather, I visited the city of Zamosc. I walked around in my complete motorcycle gear, including helmet, because the rain was pouring down. Can you imagine that? The Grand Market Square with its arcades is regarded as one of the most beautiful squares of the 16th century. Of course, you can find a statue of its founder, Jan Zamoyski, who envisioned the ideal Renaissance town. The town is surrounded by bastions and casemates, and funny is that the train even cuts through one of these bastions. On the bridge over the train you can find the obvious love locks. On the eastern banks of the river Vistula you can find another Renaissance town. It's called Kazimierz Dolny. Its town square shows some really beautiful townhouses. And above town, in a small distance, you can see the old castle. You can see that once it was a very wealthy city. Today, this town is most famous about its art. In the side streets, many artists have their shops selling a variety of art. As in many cities in Poland before the World War, there was a thriving Jewish community, and you can find remains of the old synagogue here. Most of the Jews were unfortunately killed in German concentration camps. Then I climb up to the castle and the watchtower to enjoy the beautiful view over the river Vistula and the surrounding area. After my visit to Kazimierz Dolny, I continue my path north.
Autumn's coming.
A sharp contrast to the Renaissance towns is the city of Warsawa. I search for the center of town, where you can find the culture palace as given to the Polish people by the Soviet occupiers. In the evening, I head to my next location over the motorway.